A red brick home shines behind blooming hydrangeas and climbing roses, while a wooden pergola and stone path create a peaceful garden retreat. A blue front door welcomes visitors along a tidy walkway bordered by colorful flowers, lush lawns, and a striking red leaf tree. This cozy porch blends wicker seating, hanging ferns, and pink blooms beneath a white pergola, creating a warm and inviting escape. A charming wooden cottage glows with rustic beauty as pink roses, hanging baskets, and a cheerful wreath frame the green front door. Elegant symmetry defines this white home, where brick pathways, manicured hedges, and blooming hydrangeas create timeless curb appeal. Sunlight highlights colorful flower beds, a graceful stone walkway, and a pristine white house surrounded by vibrant garden beauty. Modern architecture meets natural landscaping with wood siding, stone walls, and broad windows that brighten this stylish family home. A sleek wooden deck, glass walls, and thoughtful greenery blend comfort and modern design into a relaxing outdoor living space. A flower-lined pathway beneath a wooden pergola leads through vibrant hydrangeas, creating a storybook garden filled with charm. This blue home combines classic design and fresh landscaping, with stone pillars, colorful shrubs, and a welcoming front porch. A quiet pergola retreat, surrounded by lush plants and blooming hydrangeas, offers the perfect place to unwind and enjoy nature. Pink hydrangeas frame a welcoming doorway, where elegant columns, warm wood accents, and flowering pots create lasting impressions.